Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a transaction in CoinStats. First of all, launch open the CoinStats application and sign into your account. If you're using CoinStats to track your portfolio, you want to make sure every buy, sell, or transfer is recorded correctly. So whether you are manually tracking transaction or just starting with the app, this tutorial will help you out. From the home page of CoinStats, tap on the plus button at the bottom center of the screen and tap on Add Transactions. On the next page, select the currency and then choose the transaction type, whether it is buy, sell, or holding. Now, go ahead and enter how many coins were involved and select your portfolio. After you find the portfolio, tap on Add. You can also go ahead and add some notes in the text box and then click on Add, and you'll then be able to add a transaction on CoinStats. After it is done, check that the transaction displays correctly in your portfolio. This helps ensure your profit and loss and balances are right. So that is how you easily add transaction in CoinStats. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.